Okay, so what's up everybody? I got an update on the Lake Tahoe house. This is a big, beautiful Lake Tahoe house that we did. And I'm up here to schedule some more work that we're doing later on. But while I was up here, I thought I'd shoot some video of the finished product because all those videos were during construction and they hadn't moved in yet. So check it out. Let's see how it looks with everything put together. Okay, so we'll start in the entryway here. And we did this really nice textured porcelain tile. They've really updated it to a much more modern look than what was here before. This was all natural stone, like quartzite big flagstone. This railing got redone. We didn't do the railing part, but we helped with the design of it. Yeah, they had some custom welding done metal work to hold these 1/2-inch glass panels. But this was all, it was all just regular posts and banisters painted white, and this allows you to really see up into here because the lake is out here. Once I turn the exposure down, you can see. So yeah, there's the view of the lake that they have. So everything was set up in here to really open up the view. And this is the fireplace. I did a bunch of video on this fireplace that we built. We constructed this whole thing, everything from this floating hearth that's on here that goes this whole length. All the natural stone went on. We didn't do the natural stone, but I handled the subcontracting of it with my granite fabrication shop. But this is a quartzite, beautifully done. You can see how everything is book matched on the seams. And this is a quartzite called Tahoe Blue, which is very fitting. Very beautiful natural stone, but it just fits in really nice with this new modern, very cozy look. I like how they used a lot of natural tones, very soft tones, a very cozy place. A lot of these designs, they can get cold and kind of stark, but I love the natural wood look with this fireplace. It's kind of hard, you can't really tell the scale of this thing, but that goes up. That's 17 feet up at the very top. So it's quite a monstrosity. We installed this fireplace. It was really cool. Good learning experience. We built the whole substructure. This pop out was built. We framed this all out to accommodate the new fireplace. And there's some I-beam construction. There was some wood cladding on these I-beams and we stripped it off and Jeff made it look really nice. Really cool idea. Here's another really awesome feature. This is a limestone 3x12. Let's see if I can get a good picture of it close up. Chattermark texture in it. But this limestone again goes all the way up to the ceiling. And just a beautiful texture, pairs up really nicely with the quartz countertops in here. The quartz is kind of a off-white gray. Beautiful seam they did, barely see that seam on there. And yeah, that backsplash goes up and around, goes all the way over and around the stove area. We didn't do the cabinets. They have their own cabinet maker. We installed new windows in here too, which is kind of outside of our normal scope of work, but we were in here, so yeah, we put in new windows and siding on the outside. But this is a really badass feature here. This island with the waterfall edge, everything wrapping over with that quartzite. This detail here is really trick. How the mitered edge continues and wraps around, and then even has the insides finished. A ton of work goes into making all this stone fabrication work. Again, our fabricator we use and installers is Natural Stone Design in Sacramento. Excellent company. They do great work. Again, just a giant island. So this waterfall, that's kind of cool. Check it out. So this waterfall wraps. So the piece of stone was cut and then actually just folded down. This side of the waterfall is book matched, which is taking two separate slabs and then lining them up. So this slab is actually different than this slab, but since they're sliced like a piece of bread, they have the same grain going through them so that you can match up the vein. And it won't be perfect, but it'll be very close. You can see that is almost dead on right there. Really cool detail. So that's the living room and the kitchen. But yeah, this used to be a huge rock wall. It was a massive rock wall that we took out. And I made a really good video on that. If you want to check it out. It was this huge, massive rock wall. I'll put the link to that video in the description, along with, you know, the videos of doing the fireplace and stuff. So you can see those progress videos if you haven't seen them. We did a powder room in there. This tub, again, we made a video on getting this tub in. This is a 900-pound tub. It's a trip, but what we did, these were glass block windows. We replaced the windows again, windows and siding, we replaced them. And while we had this window out, we used a grade awl, built a ramp, and there was 5 or 6 of us that it took to get in this concrete bathtub that's 900 pounds. Pretty sick little pebble waterfall feature there. It looks so much different when it's put together and lived in. I mean, it's just beautiful. Here's vanity, and all the bathrooms. I think we did 5 bathrooms in here. We did all the vanities. We didn't build the cabinets. They have their own cabinet builder, but we did all the stone tops, all the sinks, plumbing fixtures, and these are that same, you know, cast concrete that matches the tub. And then a nice steam shower in here. We built this steam shower pretty much from scratch. Installed the steam generator. We have a tileable grate there, Schluter tileable grate, quartz bench. This is a porcelain. It looks like a natural stone ledger, but it's a porcelain. I like it a lot. Tiled the ceiling too, because it's a steam shower. On the walls we used 24 by 48. Then we went to 12 by 24 on the ceiling. A lot of work went into this shower here. I'll show you a couple updates on the bathrooms down here. So yeah, we're gonna be redoing that fireplace too, but killer views throughout this whole house of the lake. But yeah, this is a neat little bathroom. This was a great design. The owner and I came up with this design. Same sinks, goes in here. We got a pebble pan. This was a tub, you know, it had a tub. We converted it to a shower. We did all the glass work in here. This is a nice pebble. Check out that pebble, kind of irregular little blocky pebble. One thing I noticed when I came in here, and let me brighten it up a little bit, is that this is a Schluter, they call it the closed grate, and it was in the chrome finish. Well, it's hard to tell, but there's quite a bit of etching on the top of that drain from hard water. One of those things you don't really think about when you're installing this stuff, of how it's going to hold up over time. But yeah, I think they got a lot of minerals in this water. Love the niche with this mosaic. That's like a slate mosaic. Came out really nice. Nice porcelain tile here, 12 by 24. There's a couple other bathrooms. Don't know if we need to really show them. I think this one's worth looking at. Put in the sconce lighting, new countertops, new bathtub, and this is a ceramic tile and a stacked 3x9. Nice little niche. Cool design. Really like it. So there you have it. I figured while I was up here, I'd bring my camera and do a little update so you could see how this looks after someone has lived in it and put all their furnishings, because you know, job site videos can give you a little idea, but it's really hard to get the feel of the total design until all of the furnishings are in. So again, if you want to see videos of doing the actual construction on this project, I'll put the links in the description below. It's got the video with the tub going in, a lot of stuff on the fireplace, and some interesting stuff. I think you'll like those videos. So before I go, I love you. I love being your tile coach, and we'll see you on the next video.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all